Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to wax underarms. First, you always want to start out by prepping the skin. I'm using the Nova Wax Cleansing Gel, and I'm taking my time to really make sure that I cleanse the underarm really well. My client has a little bit of deodorant kind of built up, so you want to make sure if your client has deodorant that you remove all of it off before you start waxing. Up next is going to be my barrier. I'm choosing to use oil because my client is just on the drier side, so it's going to help to make sure that the wax doesn't break so easily. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this underarm strip, and I chose to just go ahead and do it in one pass. Now, if you've watched me before, you know that I have shared to always make sure you go in the direction of hair growth. And so with this client, because their hair is very sparse and thin, it's okay to do this just in one pass. Always make sure that your hard wax is dry before you remove, and get a good grip and go ahead and remove it, and make sure that you add some firm pressure afterwards. Do y'all see those roots? Look at the very ends and you can see like little white dots. That is product buildup, and that just means my client is needing a really good exfoliation routine to help clear out their pores. For this next strip, I'm going to apply it a little bit thinner and in the opposite direction to really just grab any flyaways, and just to make sure we get a really nice and smooth underarm wax. Again, make sure that your wax is dry first before you remove it. And on this pass, I like to do kind of more of a relaxed pull because it really just helps to grab those hairs a little bit better. Now you can see a little bit of pinpoint bleeding, but just know that it's completely normal. That really just means the hair came out of the root successfully. So don't panic, it's totally normal to have a little bit of pinpoint bleeding during your waxing sessions. Next, you want to make sure that you restore the skin with some moisture. Today I'm choosing to use the Hydrating Lotion from Nova Wax and the oil just to remove any wax residue and to also give the skin a little extra boost. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video.